In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Moltbot or Clawdbot with Quick Start and OpenAI API in Terminal. First, open the page for Moltbot or Clawdbot in your browser. Scroll down until you see the Quick Start section. You'll find a code snippet there. This is the one-line command that bootstraps the installation. Highlight it and copy it to your clipboard. This command is designed to pull down everything you need so you won't have to hunt for separate installers. Next, open your terminal. On macOS or Linux, use Terminal. On Windows, you can use Command Prompt or PowerShell. Click into the window, paste the code you copied, and press Enter. The installer will begin downloading and setting things up automatically on your computer. This part can take a few minutes depending on your connection and system, so just wait and let it run. If you see prompts about permissions or network access, allow them so the installation can complete. When the setup continues, you'll be asked to confirm an I understand message. Click or select Yes. This is a standard acknowledgement, typically confirming terms or that you're proceeding with defaults. You'll then be presented with a set of choices. Choose Quick Start. This ensures the tool configures itself with sensible defaults, which is ideal if you're getting up and running quickly. After that, choose Reset. This clears any previous configuration, so you start from a clean slate and avoid conflicts with older settings. Next, choose OpenAI as your provider. When prompted, select the option for OpenAI API key. You'll now type your OpenAI API key. Enter it carefully and keep it private. Don't share it in files, screenshots, or public spaces. If the input doesn't show characters as you type, that's normal. Many tools hide keys for security. Press Enter to confirm when you're done. After the key is accepted, you'll be asked to choose a model. Pick a model that's available to your account and suits your use case. If you're unsure, you can start with a general purpose model and change it later in settings. Finally, choose a channel. The channel is where you'll interact with the bot. For example, directly in the terminal, a desktop window, or another supported interface. Select the one you plan to use. That's it. You've installed the tool, confirmed the terms, reset to a clean configuration, connected your OpenAI API key, and selected your model and channel. You're ready to start using Moltbot or Clawdbot with the Quick Start setup.